If you are watching this video from your tablet or phone, you are probably thinking of working from home. You'll be happy to know online marketing works. And working at home has some definite perks. You can learn as you go on your own time. All at no cost, not spending a dime. Grow your own biz with never a loss. Earn enough to fire your boss. Mr. P is a hero. Your cost is a zero. He shows you 2 ways that you can choose to go. A link to each option you will find below. Both make you money. Both make you dough. Start watching and learning, and also start earning. Although the rest claim to be best, most want your cash for stuff that is free. It is good for them, but not you and me. The key is begin. You have 2 ways to win. They are easy and free. As you will soon see. Pick the one you like best. Here is to your success. If working from home is of interest to you, check out this channel and the links below. And allow me to wish you much success. Thank you for watching.
With you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly.